Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to put ads on GoDaddy websites in 2024. So today we're going to learn on how to put ads on your website. And of course, adding ads can be a great way to monetize your site and even generate revenue. So follow this step-by-step guide to integrate ads seamlessly into your GoDaddy website in 2024. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a website or a browser. Here I'm using Brave browser, of course, for you can use whatever you want or whatever you have. Once you open it, go to this URL section. Basically, type godaddy.com and hit the enter button because we would like to access and log in into our GoDaddy websites. So we need to log in into our account. For me, I'm already logged in. For you, if it's your first time, instead of your username here, you'll find the sign in option. If you have an account, click on it. If you don't, click on sign up instead. If you click on it, you'll find it here on the bottom. And you'll be able to go and create or log in into your account. If you don't have an account, create one. If you have, just log in into it. Of course, you can use Google, Facebook, and Microsoft if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. So once you're logged in, it's time, first of all, to go to your websites and check that website first of all. So let me just go here to my username and click on my products in here. Once I do so, I'll be taken here. As you can see, a bunch of websites that I have in here. Let's say, as an example, I'll just go to this one. Why not? So yeah, as you can see, I am on this website. Go here. Yeah, as you can see, that's a website in here. Of course, I'll be able to edit it. If I click here, I'll be able to go and edit the website whenever I want, as you can see, and I'll be able to do everything on it. So first of all, to connect or to put ads on it, we will need to go and sign up for an ad network, like Google AdSense as an example, or such Google AdSense, or even media.net, depending on whatever you choose. Of course, you're choosing. Of course, like the most famous one is Google AdSense. So let's just use this as an example. So first of all, you need to go and create an Google Ads account or Google AdSense account. Basically, just go to either ads.google.com, or if you go to google.com/AdSense, you'll be basically taken to the same place. Like, of course, here you'll be taken to AdSense, and as you can see here, Google Ads. So I'll just go here and click on sign in. And once I click on it, of course, here you'll be able to create some ads for yourself on Google Ads as an example. So you can make your site first of all like known to other people. So you basically have to make some campaigns and publish the word about your site, so you can get traffic. Of course, when once you put ads on it with Google AdSense. So this is, I just want to mention that if you want to. So here's an example. Go in Google AdSense, or sorry, yeah, in Google AdSense. We will need to go and create an account. Of course, if you have a Google account, it already will be connected to it by default. And as you can see, to connect your GoDaddy sites to it so you can start putting ads, you'll need to go and click on add a site. So if you go here and click on add a site, as you can see, you'll have to enter the website right here. And first of all, you need, first of all, of course, to connect your payments method where you are going to get paid, and see even how ads will look in your site, and even connect your site to Google AdSense. You can start doing that from Google AdSense, or you can go here to GoDaddy, go to your site, go to the settings at the top right corner, scroll down to analytics and tracking, and here you even have like Google AdSense, so you'll be able to connect into it. Click on it, and as you can see, display ads with Google AdSense. Make money with Google AdSense, a free service that pays you for ad space on your website. Sign up for AdSense and manage your account on Google. So you'll basically click on sign up here if you don't have an account yet to sign up into it. And of course, once you create your account, you'll need to go and do some stuff to get your AdSense script or AdSense code. So you can paste it here. If you don't know how to get it, basically just click on help me find my AdSense code, and you'll be able to see or to see how to get it. Of course, you can even use some ads, text ads, or some app ad six. This is like manually added if you want to add them manually. So how to find it? Basically, I'll just click here on help me find my AdSense code. Of course, if you click on it, it will open a new tab, so don't worry. And here, basically, they will show you exactly on this form how to get that code. So once you sign in into your AdSense account, click on ads as an example. Once we click on ads, we will need to go and click on gets code, I guess, right? Yeah, so gets code. Once I click on gets code, as you can see, copy and paste the AdSense code in between head and tags of your site. As you can see, this is gonna be the code. It can take up to an hour for ads to appear on the page, and see our code implementing guide if you want to see it as example, which is the same guide as this one. So once you click on get add, copy the code snippets as example, which is this one. I'll just go and copy that. And then how to get and copy the code for ad units. By ad units, of course, this is an example, not by ad units. So once you copy it as an example, all you need to do, go back here, paste this right here, click on publish, so the saves will the changes will be saved. And yeah, congratulations. Ads is already added now to your website. Of course, if you click on view sites, you'll be able to see like those ads appear from time to time. For me, I have an ad blocker anyway, so probably it will not appear. And of course, if you disable the ad blocker and you still didn't see any ads, make sure to not worry or something like that. It will just take some time as Google AdSense told you. So it will take around 1 hour. So make sure to wait and be patient a little bit. It might take even, or it may take even more than 1 hour, like maybe two, but probably it will not pass you. Of course, you can even get ads other than site, like by ad units, as an example, or some global settings here if you want to change it, etc. I will let you check that by your own. So yeah, that's gonna be it for me today. Once you publish your site, you'll be able to see ads after like 1 hour or so. Make sure to disable your ad blocker so you'll be able to see it. And after publishing it, you'll be able to monitor the ad performance whenever you want. And yeah, that's gonna be it for me today. So there you have it. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.